Welcome to MB Inc. I'm Mrinali Barbara, your interior designer. Today, I am at the residence of Mr. C.N. Goswami, one of my clients. I did the interior of this drawing and dining area almost 10 to 11 years back. So today I am at this property to show you all that how I did with minimalistic interiors and the decors and how it's looking now. Like I got amazed when I came here. Actually, they called me like they want to do their bedrooms now. So when I came here, I was really enthralled to see that every inch of it is having the same decor and all the artifacts that I have displayed there. If you want to see this area, this particular wall just on the entrance of the property, it's a flat, 2 BHK flat. So this one I cladded with this MDF board and then just painted it, then paneled it, and it's just a beautiful wall piece, same as I bought it 11 years back. These two frames, and if you see this side also, it's a small jharoka. It's a small jharoka. It looks so unique and so nice. So you can see this one along with these two wall arts. So just entering the room, I gave these two low-lying seating of mango wood, like with this painting here. If you could show this one, it's a Rajasthani painting here. The low-lying seating made of mango wood. Then the center piece, and actually this particular wall, which I paneled and used wallpaper that time, was like some incisives here, which I covered and then gave this look. It's as it is, and they have maintained so well. Really amazing. Even I was so surprised to see these piece of clothes, like I just at that time, just to match the sofa, I put it here, and now these are also on the same pitch, on the same finish, on the same texture. So it's so amazing. Even I could show you the cushions. Really amazing, amazing. And here also all the cushions, like this, like why I am showing you all this. If the color of the sofa is light, then you can get some shimmer or bright color, small sort of this cushions to elevate the look of the sofa. They have maintained and kept it like this. Then I gave that time this particular piece of corner light along with some these displayers of artifacts. The wonderful one. It elevates the look of the space. Even you can see the ceiling. The ceiling is made up of like normal gypsum board along with some designs made with ply and lamination. So just a simple, sweet and sober design in this side of the drawing room, the ceiling. And if you come to the dining area, it's an adjacent one. So if you come to the dining area, there is this door that we panel the frame of the doors, and on the door also we changed the lamination and we gave these highlighters to give a very good and subtle look of the doors. Then this was one of the cabinet, and this picture, like Mr. Goswami at that time told that he really wants to put this picture here, so we framed it and kept it as it was. And now also the same finish. Even this corner, this corner like vase along with these bamboos and the flowers, the table, this particular artifact. And even if you see the ceiling of this area, it is also made up of same the gypsum and ply and lamination, which is very minimalistic design, which really elevates the look of the room. And the major thing what we did here is, like as it is a flat, so there was a small balcony this side. So we remove the partition between the balcony and the dining, then included this balcony space into the dining area so that it gives a full and complete and a bigger size for the interiors, because it's important that we get the size of the room bigger than just having the balcony when you have some other options to get your stuff to be used in balcony. So this is a concept that you can always include, like removing the partition if you have in the drawing and the dining area. And these lamps also, the lamps were 11 years old, just you see that. So this is the complete look of this house. So I'm really amazed to see this one, and I'm so happy that Mr. Goswami is keeping such a way that we all love to see this one. And if you really want to make your drawing room or dining or any specific other rooms like bedroom or study room or kitchen even to decorate or to design, or even I'm introducing a service, like where I'd be giving my guidance and rather shopping assistance. If you really want to get the stuff for your home, suppose if you're confused about what lamination to choose, what furniture to choose, what color should be on the walls, any other thing, the curtains, anything, decor, design, anything that you want, you can contact us. I'm being Mrinali Barbara. The number of our firm would be here. Thank you. Thank you so much.